am excited. I just closed, or I ran my numbers, September. I closed out 51% portfolio growth in the month. So I'm hosting a live webinar. Register for it now. It's going to be Wednesday. I'm going to share with you guys the exact 3 secrets that I use every day to wildly blow up my account, and I'm going to share it for you pricelessly, or for you for free. That will be priceless. But let's hop over into my broker account. I did lose money today. I lost 12 bucks. But that's cool. I mean, that's all right. So we see we're in VMH, or VMW, excuse me. We're down $306 since open. Ugh. But this thing is still holding to our revised trade plan, so we just need time to go by for this thing to come back for us. We did enter into UNH. Let's go look at UNH. Boop-a-doop-boo. UNH. Like this right here. So it's a bullish assumption here, and we're down 24 bucks. This is often referred to as slippage. So what that means is that in this example, we're using VMW, that if we're a retail trader, we are going to have to buy at the higher price and sell at the lower price. It's the short end of the stick. It's how it works. It's how it's just the setup for us as retail traders. So the difference between here is called the bid by ask spread, and oftentimes it can be referred to as slippage, meaning that if I buy this thing right now, well, in market hours, because markets are closed right now, if I buy this and then I immediately want to go around, turn around and sell it, I would only be able to sell it for $3.10, where I buy it for $3.50. So the difference here is 40 bucks, or 40 cents times 100. That's called slippage, and you can see that that's likely what's happening over here with UNH. Now, nothing's guaranteed, but guys, that is what's happening. If you saw Friday on the Friday market recap, we talked about this circumstance exactly what we expected, and it happened exactly as what we expected. So we talked about that this thing's coming down to the to this technical stance right here, to this support, and then we expected a gap move to the upside, and if that happened, we can expect this thing to come up to about 290, 296 or so. It's happened just that. So tomorrow, if it continues to move up throughout this week, maybe even a little longer, because it did happen back here too. If you look, it came down to this point, then it gapped up, had a red day, and then it gapped down, closed up, and then it continued all the way up to a new high. So we can expect that in the markets for the coming weeks. So guys, that's what I got for you. Guys, if you want to learn how to trade stock options and you're like, Tim, you're seeing too many results and having too much fun, then guys, you need to join the webinar. I'm going to be hosting it this Wednesday for you. You can register at optionlegacy.com. I would love to see you there. It's all about helping you build a legacy through trading. So let's do it. Till then, I'll see you in the next video.